Hey guys, welcome back. Today, let's talk about compatibility or modifications that are necessary with a certain set of headlights. So I've got a bunch here that we're just getting ready to box up, throw them on top of the Bronco so you guys can see, and selfishly so I can see my Bronco in more videos. So let's talk about this. Here we've got a set for a Ford Excursion, 100% plug and play, right? You're gonna be able to take out your old light, put this one in, and you're good to go. We preset the horizontal alignment in our shop. You may have to just adjust them up and down, just like you would with your normal headlights, and you use the stock adjustment screws that are on the back of the housing. Over here we've got a stage 1, and in the back, a stage 2. This is the Monster version of the 7-inch light. So Monster stage 1, Monster 7-inch stage 2. Now, the low beam and high beam will be plug and play. In this case, if you, let's say you have a Jeep JK, you'll get an H13. Maybe you have a TJ or a CJ, you get an H4. So the plug will marry up directly with your stock headlight plug. That way you don't have any modifications there. You turn them on, turn them off, just like you would with your normal headlights. Now, aiming these again is actually easier because these are a circular headlight. You can just adjust the horizontal beam exactly how you want it, set it in, and then the vertical up and down movements are just set with your stock adjustment screws inside your headlight bucket, both for the TJ, CJ, and the JK, or a Bronco in this case, right? You've got your adjustment screws back here, if you can see them behind the bezel, and then they'll go up and down. Now, you also have, for the stage 1, a front, rear, and a rear angel eye. So that does require minimal connections, and it's all plug and play with the exception of finding a source. So, for example, the same goes for the stage 2. You're going to have something very easy. 3 wires coming out of the back of this light, one for power, one for ground, and one for turn signal. So the red wire is going to be your power wire. That gets connected to a switched 12-volt source. So let's say, for example, you wanted them to be on as daytime running lights. You would hook them up to a hot and run wire in anytime your ignition's on. That gets power, and off you go. The black wire goes to ground, pretty self-explanatory there. And then you have the yellow wire. That's going to get tapped into your turn signal if you want them to blink when your turn signal is activated. So you simply tap into that, you're good to go. People ask me all the time, Tom, how hard is that to do, and can I do it myself? The answer is, well, that depends. If you are comfortable with basic automotive wiring, this is about as basic as it gets, 100% you could do it yourself. It will take you as long as it takes you. For me, it's a 15-minute job. For other people, it might be an hour. So take it to a professional. I wouldn't expect them to take more than an hour. Now, if you did want to put switches inside your cab, now you're running extra wires, putting in switches, things like that, so your time may vary. But the takeaway here, guys, is the installation is about as easy as we can get it. And if you have a JK, we even offer a service where we provide you a plug-and-play wiring harness for the switchbacks as well. So take a look at that. And if you have a different vehicle and you want us to build something like that custom for you, it can be done. We might need a little bit of time and effort to make that happen, but it's not a difficult thing. Of course, you're local to the Buffalo area. Come on down and we'll do the installation for you right here in the shop, assuming we can get the Bronco out of the bay. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that helps. We're here to help answer some of these interesting questions that you may have from time to time. Keep them coming, and any question is going to help the community, right? So if you think that you are the only person curious about this, I can probably guarantee you we hear that question quite often. So I'm documenting questions as they come in. We used to do a question of the day series. Now we're going to start doing a discussion series where I walk around, talk about a headlight, answer a few questions, and then hopefully educate you as well as entertain you. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day, and let's see some more of this beautiful Bronco. Bam.